Greetings! In this video I want to show you how to install a USB to HDMI adapter onto your computer. Now this particular one is a desktop, and this is an HP desktop, and what happened is my monitor went out. So it's fairly simple. I got this one's called Reborn. I got this off of Amazon for like 12 bucks. I'll put this in the comment section where you can get it directly off of Amazon. But it's fairly simple to do. So basically I only have one HDMI port because one of them blew out, a replacement or a bypass. So basically you're using the USB as your HDMI port. And to set it up, let's say this monitor connected to this HDMI, we'll go ahead and put our adapter on it. My monitor for my HDMI monitor, you might have a different kind of device other than a monitor, and then you just plug it in. And then what's going to happen is it's going to install a driver. You have to install the driver, but it's automatically already in the adapter itself. So it'll queue you up, it'll automatically queue you up and tell you to install the driver. You click yes, yes, yes. And then from there, you have to restart the computer, and then you can go ahead and get your display. But then it'll help you. It'll give you another HDMI port, pretty much. All right. Let me know in the comment section what you need this extra HDMI for. All right. And again, also link in the comment section where you can buy this Reborn adapter.